All right. We are back. At the end of that game, the player for Weekend Warriors was shooting fast. His gun was going too fast, so it was an automatic swing point to the other team. And then now we have Avalanche PB here on our left versus Omaha Jams on our right. Jams player is going to fill out there into the snake corner. Giving himself the check. Ref running in to go check him in the snake corner. Looks like he's clean. Yep, player's clean. Oh, Avalanche is going to lose the player out of the center. A lot of game time left in this match, but the snake player for the Omaha Jams is going to get eliminated. Dorito player for Avalanche is kind of getting squirrely over there. He's going to back off that a little bit. Then he's going to make him bump up into the Dorito wedge. As a player for the Omaha Jams is trying to run down, come off, but he's going to get eliminated. Still 3 bodies left alive for the Avalanche, and it looks like 2 bodies left alive for the Jams. Looks like a snake player here in the Dorito Tower. Avalanche player here. I don't know. Oh, and a major on the Avalanche player. Or is it which major is it on? It's on Avalanche. All right, guys. So I did get clarification on that penalty. So player for Avalanche popped the top originally, and then he got shot in the back, and then spun his gun around and shot the opposing Omaha Jams player. So that was a major, killing that point, and then giving that point to Omaha Jams.
10 seconds.
Avalanche pretty conservative breakout. 4 crossed, and player's going to come around, but they need to get out to the snake corner, though. They're going to get pinched. Snake player in here for Omaha Jams in the S2. Also have the snake corner and the juice box, but the snake is going to get eliminated for Omaha Jams. Avalanche player going to go get in the snake now. Going to go past S1 into S2, making this a 4-on-4. I don't see anybody's walked off for Avalanche. Avalanche player's moving out of that back center. Now he's going to make his way out. Might not do that. Yeah.
Seconds.
All right, we are back. You're going to have Avalanche on the left, Hitman on the right. Avalanche player's going to get eliminated out of the snake, trying to crawl down. Hitman with 2 in the snake. Another Hitman player walking off out of the center. And Avalanche is going to concede. And Hitman going to try and go snake, but he's going to get eliminated. But a player also comes off the field for what looks to be... Nope. Looks like 5 bodies alive. Is that right? Ref running in to go check the Dorito or snake corner player for Avalanche. Player's clean. Both teams have snake corners. Also a snake wedge for the Avalanche player. I believe it's 4-on-4. Neither team has a snake right now. Hitman making a move up there into the Dorito 1. Avalanche gonna lose a player out of the center. Not quite. Looks like maybe Zach Mayers. Yep, Zach Mayers. Avalanche with 3 bodies left alive. They got a Dorito 1, a Snake Wedge, and a Snake Corner. Hold on. Here you see the Dorito making a move up there into the Dorito 2. Avalanche player up here in the 50 brick on the Dorito side. Oh, and he won that. Oh.
Point approved.
Oh, an Avalanche player is going to get eliminated. But they are going up to the center 50. Another player walking off for Avalanche. Oh, another player walking off for the Hitman. Avalanche needs to be careful. I think there's just 2 bodies left alive. Oh, the Avalanche guy's going to get eliminated. Another body walking off. I think Avalanche is going to get this point, making this a 2-1 game. There was a minor over there on the Dorito side on the Hitman. Good point there by Avalanche. Looks like that was... All right, we are going to have KC Hitman on our left, Avalanche on our right. Minute 5 left in the game. See if Avalanche can bring it back. And Avalanche is going to take the snake on the break. So is the Hitman. Oh, and there's a minor thrown. Another player walking off for the Hitman. Oh, it looks like Hitman are walking off, leaving just 2 players left alive for Hitman. Leaving the snake player and a center 50. Oh, and he's going to get taken out. Honestly, Hitmen don't necessarily need to hit this and risk it, but to each is their own. Oh, if the ref running in to go check.
Reverse point.
Avalanche and Hitman, you will go straight into overtime. Avalanche and Hitman, you will go straight into overtime. All right, Avalanche on our left. Looks like 5 bodies alive for both teams. Hitman make the snake though, but as I say that, Avalanche is going to lose one out of the back center. Looks like Darius Green's going to go ahead for Avalanche, make it into Snake. And it looks like John Lodwig is going to make it out to the Snake corner for Hitman. 4 buys left alive for Avalanche. And they make the Snake corner as well for Avalanche. Player's going to get eliminated out of the Dorito Tower for Avalanche. Oh, and the Snake player for Avalanche is going to get shot. Leaving, looks like, might be a 3-on-3. Can't tell where the, no, sorry, 4-on-3. But Darius Green's going to get eliminated out of the Snake for Avalanche. Player for Avalanche is going to retreat back to the Dorito corner. I think he's just the last one alive. Hitmen are trying to figure it out. This is an overtime point. 3 minutes left in the game time. Plenty of game time left. Oh, I don't know if he sees him. Player getting eliminated for Warped Army. Player getting eliminated for Avalanche as well. Avalanche on our left, Warped Army on our right. Darius Green here for the Avalanche. Getting up there into the S3. And I think Dancing Dan, Mr. Dancing Dan, yep, Dancing Dan over here in S3 for Warped Army. So pretty evenly matched up. Both teams have a Snake corner, but Avalanche is a little bit more in control of that Snake corner, shooting down that wire. The Warped Army players looking more inside than playing down the wire. Warped player needs to try and get control. Looks like Warped is going to lose a player off the Dorito side. And Avalanche is going to lose a player too. Looks like there's a flag. Flag on Avalanche. Looks like. It's not like one team is just rolling over on the other. Shuffle 816. So it's definitely been a good day of paintball. All right, Warped Army and Avalanche back on the field. Dancing Dan there for Warped Army getting into the S3, but Warped is going to lose their Dorito guy. Avalanche did start down one body from that penalty from the previous point. I think they have 3 bodies left alive. Is that 2 bodies left walked off for Warped Army? I think it is. I think it might be a 3-on-3. I got Todd Boyer in the house. How you doing, Todd?
How's it going?
Good, good.
Where do I sit?
Just right there.
Where are your pants at?
In my truck. Chris has my keys. They're in the front seat. Yep. Todd, how's the Complex boys doing today?
They're showing out.
Good?
Doing good, yeah, man.
Good.
We're 2-0 versus both of our games.
That's good.
Those are looking good.
Jamie Brazine, I assume, is shouting out to you.
What up, Jamie? I'm sure the boys are missing you, free ballers.
Yeah. Yep. All right, and there's gonna be a towel there for Avalanche, making that a 2-0 game. A lot. All right. Avalanche gonna be here on our left, Warped on our right. Still plenty of game time left. And we get a breakout. Both teams taking the snake, but Avalanche is going to lose a Dorito player. Looks like Darius is going to get up there into the S3 real quick for Avalanche. Can't quite tell who the Warped. Oh, Dancing Dan there and Warped for S3.
I like Dan's mindset here. Like, still, even though that they're up 2, he's
Still pushing. Yep.
He's still pushing. I really like that mindset.
Yeah, and then looks like a whole disaster just struck for Avalanche. They're going to lose this. I mean, more than likely lose this match 3-0. I mean, it can't count them out yet. There's still a player left alive in the snake corner, you know. But it is a 5-on-1 in favor of Warped. So, and I think that's going to do that. So Warped's going to go down, check each other, and as long as they're good, hit this button and get this point. I don't know what they're doing. Still talking. It's like someone doesn't know a call of a 55.
Yeah, they're not. I mean, they're playing great paintball, heads up, but it
Yeah.
looks like they're having a hard time communicating to
Yeah.
because that guy just started crawling all the way down.
All right, Monkey with the gun here on our left. Avalanche on our right. Monkey with the gun going to get their player eliminated out of the snake. Monkey with the gun's going to lose another player off the Dorito side. Zach Mayer's back there in the back can, doing a little bit of shooting down there at the snake corner, battling it out. Avalanche is going to lose a player out of the center. Monkey with the gun's going to lose a player out of the back center. And there's going to be a concession. Avalanche PB on our left. Monkey with the gun factory here on our right. Avalanche is going to lose their Dorito Tower player. Monkey with the gun going to fill up into the Snake 3. But Monkey with the gun's going to lose their Snake corner player, unfortunately. bring this back to even body situations, but Monkey the Gun's going to also fill out, taking that spot. Avalanche player retreats back to the juice box out of that God bunker. Monkey the Gun's going to get elimination out of the snake. Monkey the Gun's going to go get this point. All right, we're going to see Monkey with a Gun on our left, Avalanche PB on our right. Both teams take the snake. Oh, Monkey with a Gun loses the loader. Avalanche is going to lose a Dorito guy. Just under a minute left. Tied 1-1. And he's going to get him. Is he going to get him some? Oh my goodness. They ran past each other. And he's going to get shot too. Oh my goodness. Wow. Good heads up play there for Avalanche. All right. Avalanche on our left, Monkey with the Gun Factory on the right. 39 seconds left in this match. See if Monkey with the Gun can tie it up. They are going to send it. Avalanche is going to lose one, though. Player going forward. Oh. Players for both teams just kind of playing it out. And that's going to be the end of that game. All right, that's the end of that one. We're going to move on to the next one.